Draw my crop, canola. There are 3 types of common mustard breeds. The first being B. nigra, which is grown in South America and Chile. The second, B. jonesii, is grown in North America, and this is the most common breed here. Third, S. hirta, grown in Africa, which is nicknamed yellow mustard. This breed is best for Africa because it's shorter to harvest and is better acclimatized to Africa. It can be used in cooking oils and is great for heart health. Canola meal is also a good use of canola because it's great for animals. And lastly, saag, which is a common stew made from the leaves of mustards. It's boiled and simmered down until it makes thick green stew. Oil is the number 1 product made from canola and mustard. It is great for heart health. It's also great for cooking. Oil is extracted by putting a pestle into a bin. This grinds the seeds. The pestle is attached to a yoke, which is attached to a strong animal, and walking in circular motion will give lateral pressure, grinding the seeds and extracting oil. This oil will then be sold at local markets and to farmers in the neighborhood. One of the biggest issues is pests, mold, and money costs. Money being the biggest one. Another use of canola is high-protein meal, aka canola cake. High-protein meal is a byproduct of the oil. It's great economically because we don't have to use any more resources. Most cows benefit greatly as canola meal is found to be more nutritional than even soybean meal, and dairy cows produce more milk on it. The only additional cost of this resource is H2O. Other issues with this include storage and pests, as smallholder farmers don't have access to silos, and this costs a lot. It needs to be kept dry and at room temperature, or pests will love it. Lastly, saag is a dish typically prepared in India and Africa. It's boiled down into a stew and can be dried. Canola is great for humans and cows alike, and what's even better is all 3 products can be made of the entire plant at the same time, so we don't have any waste. Plus, it can be used for all of these at the same time. The biggest issues are money issues, and this is where cooperatives can come into play. All farmers need is a hand to get started. As long as temperature and climate is good, this crop could help many people, many nations around the world, and hopefully eventually the entire world.